It's Longhaired Red here, and we're going to show a contest called Bouncer Bird. And I'm Longhaired Red, the explainer, and with my faithful companion and brother, Red Devil. Come over here. Dude, get away from the camera. I like it. Get away. Fine. Okay, here are the rules. Screw this, I'm gonna wait. Yeah. But here are the rules. You have to get a bird on an object that's at least 7 inches long, or less. No more than 7 inches. Got it? And whoever gets it on with the less tries, wins. And if you're doing a cool trick like spinning it on it'll subtract 1. So if you're doing it on your 5th try and you make it spin and it bounces on, that's 5. We'll subtract it to 5. And an item has to be 7 inches or less. If it's more than 7 inches, you fail. So measure before you do it. And you have to be 5 or more feet away. So you can be 6 feet away, so on and so forth. I'm basically making myself boring, aren't I? But it's called explaining. So the third place will get one subscription from the Daniel Scabetta crew of that video. Second place, you get 2 subscriptions, one to a separate video and another to that contest entry video. First place, we have to watch. You get one subscription to that video, and we have to watch 5 videos and give 1 great subscription to those others. So basically, if you get first place and you do another video, we have to say that's the best video we ever seen. That's one of your best videos. Alright, so you see that Nerf drum mag over there? Yes, I do see it. I wasn't talking to you. Can I still be here though? Yes, you can, because I need you right now. And what you have to do is throw any of your birds, like those over there. Suck. And you have to bounce, and you have to bounce them. If you throw that at it and somehow it goes on, you have to try again, and that counts as a try. Okay, Devil Red, try bounce yourself on that Nerf 35 Dart Drum Mag. That was a mouthful. Shut up. Ah. And he failed, but that's an example. Alright, see you guys later. And subscribe to the Daniel Scabetta channel. So long. Whee!